Why do people literally turn their heads when that guy walks into a room?
He didn't even say anything yet. That's charisma, babe. You're biologically vibing with his personality packaging.
But he's not even that good looking.
Exactly. Welcome to the power of internal energy made visible. People don't remember the outfit. They remember how someone made them feel about themselves. Attraction is just your neurons going, wow, this person makes me feel safe and interesting.
So it's not looks, it's vibe math?
Confidence plus presence, neediness, equals power. You're welcome. I watch for posture that says, I know who I am. Eye contact that's calm, not creepy. A tone that doesn't beg for approval.
That's buildable?
Totally, that's the point. Charisma is practice authenticity. You're not born magnetic. You become magnetic by rehearsing traits until your nervous system believes it.
So, I can install confidence like an app.
Yep. Start with tone, posture, and staying present. Let your brain stop acting like you're under review. When your personality is aligned, people gravitate, not because you're loud, but because you're centered.
Okay, but what's the secret sauce?
Presence, playfulness, self-respect. Say less, feel more, let others breathe near you.
So, personality is the algorithm.
Exactly. And the more you live your traits, the more people's brains swipe right without even realizing it. Drop a kill dem if you've ever been drawn to someone for their vibe, not their face. Hit like, subscribe, and go upgrade your personality from the inside out.